Hi, Minuteman 6 here from Minuteman Precious Metals. It's July 8th, 2024 at approximately 6:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is our morning market update. Before we get started, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. I post new market update videos Monday through Friday, so just ring that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Gold is down $18.54 to $2,372.14 in overnight trading Sunday. Silver is also down 23 cents to $30.99. The gold to silver ratio is up to 76.58. Both precious metals are down in overnight trading on profit taking, but most analysts see them moving up in the week ahead. Gold finally shook itself out of its summer doldrums last week, as weak employment data helped gold and silver rocket out of their recent holding patterns, with gold once again approaching the $2,400 price level and silver breaking above $31. Significant data points last week suggested a weakening jobs market in the United States, and the Fed's minutes showed little inclination to raise rates. This combination helped to propel gold and silver higher. The latest Kitco News Weekly Gold Survey shows virtually all industry experts seeing green for gold and silver prices this week, while retail sentiment has also turned solidly positive once again. Analysts at CPM Group said in a note on Friday that their recommendation is to buy with an initial target of $2,410. Gold prices could move higher in the next couple of weeks before potentially retreating, they wrote. There is a building support for prices from the political environment in the United States, Europe, the Middle East, and from many other parts of the world. There appears to be rising concern about President Biden's ability to be reelected, and if reelected, manage the duties of president. This rising uncertainty is supportive of gold prices. If the Democratic Party moves to find a replacement candidate, that would elevate uncertainties and concerns among investors. That would likely be reflected in gold prices. Adam Button, head of currency strategy at forexlive.com, said that the political environment is providing a unique bid for gold prices. We are likely living through one of the all-time great moments in U.S. politics, Button said. It takes a great deal to move gold on U.S. politics, but Biden dropping out would do it. CPM Group added that economically the world continues to fare well, but the slowing down in economic output in many countries and regions is creating an underpinning of concern about economic trends in the near future. Additionally, there are some rising expectations in financial markets that interest rates could move lower in the months ahead. Inflation has cooled and unemployment has risen only slightly. The analyst noted that the gold prices have traded between $2,285.20 and $2,448.80 since early April, which has created firmer support and resistance levels. The length of time that gold has traded within this range perhaps makes it more difficult for prices to break out, they said. Technical trading suggests a continuation of trading in this range unless there's a catalyst to move prices outside this range. Prices are on an uptrend now, likely to test resistance levels before easing thereafter, they concluded. The seasonal weakness that typically takes hold of markets around this time of year appears to be on hold for the moment. We now know that cumulative data from last week, crowned by Friday's non-farm payrolls, has shifted the market outside of this range to the upside, with gold prices testing $2,400. Mark Lebovit, publisher of VR Metals Resource Letter, was the lone voice of dissent on gold prices rising this week, stating, "Keeping my inverse index hedges on," he warned, "risk in gold in the weeks and possibly months ahead back to the $2,000 area." On Friday, 12 Wall Street analysts participated in the Kitco News Gold Survey, and the overwhelming majority see green lights for gold. 10 experts representing 84% polled expect to see gold prices climb higher this week, while one analyst, or 8%, predicts a price decline, and one other saw gold prices trending sideways in the week ahead. The Federal Reserve remains in the spotlight this week, with Fed Chair Jerome Powell testifying before the Senate Banking Committee on Tuesday and then the House Financial Services Committee on Wednesday. Markets will also be paying close attention to U.S. CPI data for June, along with the weekly jobless claims on Thursday, followed by the Friday release of U.S. PPI data for June, followed by the preliminary University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. You may be interested in my new unboxing video that I dropped this weekend. I'll attach that new video link here. Be sure to check out Minuteman Precious Metals for market updates and analysis. Thanks and have a great day.